Hello friends, today I have bought one luggage and I want to show you how to put your personal lock on the luggage that you recently bought it. So this is TCA approved lock. So let's go and see how to do that. So first the lock will come by default which is 000. So to change the lock, just put this one, then press this button on the down. So it will go inside. Then put your lock that you want to set. So I will do 111 at this time and then just click down. So that's your lock setup. So this is a different lock right now. So let's try to open it. So it doesn't open. So you have to put back to the 111 and then it will open. So we saw how to change the lock. It was 000 before and now it's 111. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care.